Hello everyone, Hacktoberfest is going to start on 26th of September and I wanted you all to know about this. This is an annual event conducted by DigitalOcean and this event encourages everyone to contribute to open source projects. This is a great way to get involved with open source community and learn new skills. Even if you are a complete beginner and you don't know anything about open source, then also you can make your first PR in this Hacktoberfest and I'll tell you how. This is a complete beginner-friendly video in which I'll tell you who can register to this event and why you should register to this, what all things you will get, what all things you will learn if you participate in this. I will take you through the official Hacktoberfest website and I will guide you how you can register, and I will also show you all the resources from where you can learn about Git, GitHub and about how you can make your first open source contribution. In the end of the video, I will tell you if you are a beginner and if you are doing your open source contribution for the first time, then what all things you should consider. And at last, I will give you some additional tips also. So watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Coming to the first point, who can register in this? Anyone can register in this Hacktoberfest regardless of their experience level. If you are a complete beginner or if you are already doing open source contributions, there is something for everyone to contribute to in this Hacktoberfest. Now coming to very important point, why you should register for this Hacktoberfest. So there are many reasons to register for. Number one is you will learn new skills. Contribution to open source project is a great way to learn about new programming languages and technologies. Second, you will contribute to the community. On day-to-day basis, we use many softwares, but you will get an opportunity to make those softwares better for everyone by contributing to open source projects. Third, you will get swag. Yes, if you are able to complete 4 pull requests in the duration of 1 month, you will get some digital rewards. Earlier, the participants used to get free t-shirts, but from this year, this t-shirt reward has been removed and you will get digital rewards only. But if you are in the top 50,000 participants who are able to complete this 4 pull requests, then a tree will be planted on your behalf. This is also a great thing. Now I will practically show you how you can register and participate in this. So let's move on to the Hacktoberfest website. This is the official Hacktoberfest website. I will give you link in the description, or you can just go to Google and type Hacktoberfest 2023 and you will get this link. They are celebrating their 10th anniversary this year. This event was first launched in 2014 and this is their 10th anniversary. Here you can see video. If you want to read more about Hacktoberfest, you can read this section. In the next section, they have mentioned that this year they are going for digital rewards instead of the physical rewards. They have mentioned in this section that they were facing some logistic challenges in shipping t-shirts. So this year they are going for digital rewards and they can also plant trees on your behalf. You can also join their Discord server using this link. And in the event section, you can find list of events which are going to be held in this entire 1 month over the globe. By clicking here, view all events, you will get the list of all the events. Some of them are online and some are held at different places. So you can also attend online events if you want. Now moving on to participation section, which is the most important section. Everyone is welcome. As I have told you, even if you haven't done any open source contribution till now, you can get started with Hacktoberfest. These are some rules to participate. You can register anytime between September 26th to 31st October. You can make your pull request using GitHub or GitLab. And your pull request must be accepted by the project maintainers to be counted as valid pull request. Similarly, you have to make 4 pull requests which have to be accepted by the project maintainers. The first 50,000 participants to have their first PR accepted will have a tree planted in their name through Tree Nation. Participants with 4 pull requests accepted between October 1 and October 31 will receive a unique digital reward. So I have told you about these things already. This section is important, resources for beginners. If you have never done open source contribution or if you don't know what is open source, how to use Git, then you can refer to these resources. Or you can just go to YouTube and search for GitHub tutorials, how to make your first open source contribution. There are many tutorials available on YouTube, and this will not take a lot of time, just you should be willing to learn. Then here are again some resources. These are some training manuals. You can refer these also. And to contribute, you can click on this link. These are the list of the Hacktoberfest projects. You can directly find projects by clicking on this link, or you can go to GitHub and search there Hacktoberfest, and you will get the list of projects there also. Similarly, there are projects which are listed on GitLab. You can go through this link or directly go to GitLab and search Hacktoberfest. In both ways, you will get the list of projects to contribute to. These are the some tags which they have defined for their event. Now, registration button is not present in this website because the registration will start on 26th of September. So, first you will have to create an account on GitHub or GitLab. Then through that account only, you can register in this Hacktoberfest. So, if you visit this website after 26th September, then you will find a registration button here. You can register using your GitHub account or GitLab account. So, that was all. Now you know all about registration, participation, resources to get started with, and the prizes. So there are many ways to contribute to open source projects. I will give you some ideas here. Number one, you can fix any bug. If you see any bug in the project, you can fix that bug and make your pull request. Second, you can add any feature. If you think any new feature can be implemented for any open source project, you can implement that feature and open a new pull request. Third is documentation. Yes, you can contribute to open source project by helping it in the documentation also. Open source software often need documentation, so you can write some tutorials or blog posts or anything like that and make your pull request. Hacktoberfest is a great way to contribute to open source projects and learn new skills. If you have ever wanted to get started with open source contributions, this is the right time. Register for Hacktoberfest. The registration will start on 26th of September. So now here are some additional tips which I have promised at the start of the video. Number one, start early. Don't wait for the last minute to start contributing. The earlier you start, you will get more time to make your valuable 4 pull requests. Number two, choose a project that interests you. There are millions of projects out there, so choose a one that you have interest in, and while choosing project, look for the project which is well maintained and have a clear contributing guide. The last tip is ask for help when you are stuck. Yes, you can ask for help from project maintainers or other contributors when you are stuck, because there is a large and welcoming community of open source developers who are happy to help newcomers. I hope this information was helpful to you. If this was helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in the future. Good luck with your Hacktoberfest 2023.